Hi, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Moneshwar. Today I have drawn a simple hydraulic circuit to explain the direct acting pressure relief valve. In this circuit, the item number 9 is called as direct acting pressure relief valve. Here you can see the internal construction of this valve, which consists of poppet, spring, adjustable knob, and there are two ports from system to tank. There are three steps involved in working principle. A spring holds the valve poppet closed against the system pressure. Second point is the when system pressure exceeds the spring force, the valve opens and allows the fluid to escape to tank. Once pressure drops below the set point, the valve again closes. This is the poppet, which is held in a closed position by the spring. For example, if this pressure relief valve is set at 50 bar and this gauge pressure shows a 50 bar and the cylinder is attached with a load of 1000 kg, which is equal to this 50 bar pressure set. When this 1000 kg load is exceeded, means when you increase this load, the valve crack opens. Here you can see the cracking pressure at 50 bar. First we will try to explain the fully open condition. The system pressure is well above the set pressure. That means if the pressure is set in a relief valve for 50 bar and the system is generated above the 50 bar, the fully open condition applies and the excess flow from system to tank will be diverted. So pump flow will be diverted from system to tank. Now we will see the second point. Set at 50 bar, the valve is set to crack, start to open at 50 bar. Below 50 bar, valve is closed. This curve shows the opening as it reaches the 50 bar. Now we will see the override pressure. Is the additional pressure above the set pressure required to fully open a pressure relief valve and allow maximum flow? This here you can see the override pressure. For direct acting pressure relief valve, I have assumed it as 30%. This is the 50 bar which will crack open after the 50 bar. What happens when the relief valve is set for 50 bar and the system pressure increases above the 50 bar, the flow start to flow from system to tank. You can see the decrease in pressure by visualizing the speed of the cylinder. The speed of the cylinder will be decreased when the relief valve is crack opened. Why does override pressure happens? In direct acting relief valve, the spring opposes the system pressure. As the valve starts to open, more pressure is needed to compress the spring further and push the valve open wider. This causes a spring increase beyond the set pressure known as override. For example, in this circuit, the relief valve is set at 50 bar. To achieve full flow, pressure must rise to 60 bar. So override pressure will be 10 bar.